How to get Telegram Premium for free in 2025. Official free trial and legit methods. If you want Telegram Premium features without paying full price, this video will explain official and safe ways to do that, including any free trial opportunities offered by Telegram itself. Let's start. First, understand an important point. Telegram does not permanently give premium for free. Permanent free access through unofficial bots or websites is mostly scams, fake offers, or unsafe modified apps that can steal your data or compromise your account. Official free trial if available. Sometimes Telegram offers temporary free trial access to premium features. These trial offers are only shown inside the official app when Telegram chooses to test premium or promote new features. They usually last from 3 to 7 days, depending on the specific offer. To check if a free trial is available: 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone. 2. Tap the 3 lines, menu icon, or your profile icon. 3. Go to Settings. 4. Tap Telegram Premium. 5. If a free trial offer appears, follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. You might need to agree to terms, but you will not be charged during the free trial. If there is no trial option, it means Telegram isn't currently offering one in your region. Gifted Premium. An official Telegram feature allows users to give premium subscriptions as gifts to others. If a friend or family member sends you a premium gift, you can activate it directly in the app without paying yourself. These gifts are entirely official and supported by Telegram. Promotions and partner offers. Occasionally, Telegram partners with brands, mobile operators, or device manufacturers to include premium access as part of a bundle or promotional offer. These offers are usually announced inside the app or through official Telegram channels. What to avoid? Important security warning. Do not use third-party websites, bots, or modified Telegram apps claiming free premium forever or posting premium codes. Many of these are scams that can steal your login or verification codes. Access your account. Install malware on your device. Lead to account suspension by Telegram. Also be cautious of phishing or fake links promising free premium, as security warnings report increasing scams where attackers try to trick users into entering credentials on fake pages. Official premium benefits worth knowing. If you do get premium, even a free trial, here are some features it unlocks. Faster download speed. Voice-to-text conversion. Higher upload limits. Exclusive stickers and reactions. Doubled limits on channels and chats. So the only safe and legitimate ways to get Telegram Premium without paying full price are: check inside the app for an official free trial, receive a gifted premium subscription, take part in official promotions that include premium. There is no guaranteed hack or free method outside the official Telegram system that is both legal and secure. Turit Plavin. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real tech tips and tutorials.